What's up, people? So we're back again. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do some work on this. All I've been doing this morning is cleaning Vauxhall parts, cleaning, labelling, cleaning again, make sure my nuts and bolts are in bags, writing on. So pretty much most of the parts now are available for the XE build, except for the bits that are off at the machine shop and the pistons, which I think they're going to supply me with. Because all I want is standard overbore, which is half mil mole pistons, which is what were in them originally anyway. Right, so for today, I've already started taking some bits out of the Vauxhall, and I took all the insides out, apart from the busted light. Everything's out, and it needs a bit of a cleaning here. I don't know what someone's put on here. See, it's just like scratches off. Unless they spilt something, because it didn't need any work. But what I want to do is I want to get this thing on its side, and I'm going to work from the underneath up through the car. So what I want to do is move this out, move the booster over, put this over there. Then we're going to jack it up, front subframe off, take the beam axle off, the exhaust I've already took out, and we're going to flip it onto its side so we can start looking at the underneath properly. I've already blasted a load of paint off underneath. So, we need to take the brakes off. Then again, I think, no, because the subframe's coming off the back, so I'm going to have to split the lines anyway. And it's all going to be bled through. Yeah, we've got to get the brakes off as well first. Right, then I'll stick you up over on your little perch. I think you seem so nicely standing on. I might take the doors off. I'm going to weigh them as well, actually. They are really light. Considerably lighter than the ones I've got on the booster. Right then, let's get some work done, shall we? Should we fire the booster up, people? Hey? It's been a while. Oh, let's have a look. Now, we need to charge the battery. Get the charger ready. Won't take a lot. Because we've sat for quite some time. Ugh. Get some go-go juice in it. it over and let it charge up whilst we're fucking around with it the other way. No, not that one. That one, that one. That one. There we go. That was a bit like anticlimactic, wasn't it? We'll just push this over then and let it sit there. It's a bit dirty. That'll do. It's massive. Oh. Oh dear, oh dear. I'm into everything. Right, I'll finish getting hanging, shall I? I think I need more room. I think I'm going to need a bigger garage soon, people. What do you think? Because to get it on its side, I'm going to have to get the blue one outside, aren't I? Right, people, it's over. And I wouldn't suggest doing things the way I do them. We got it done, didn't it? But it slid back twice. Which is why I had to let it down and push it forward, and now the solid things come back again. But if I get the bumper off, it might fit. What is going on with this? Such nuts did I put on here, for fuck's sake? You bastard. There you go. Scrap bar. Hope that bloody door shuts. Let's see, yes. Oh, just misses, people. Alright, let's give you a look, shall we? I'll finish the video off, it's been a while. Here we go. This is just surface stuff. It's been dragged on the floor, because I ran the car quite low. heel board, a bit of flaky paint. Too much. I use these for strapping it down when it's on the trailer. Sills are still good. Front floors where the tyre was catching. All good, solid. All this is solid. Just the paint's flaking. Ooh. I think we might have a bit of rust on this side. Well, all this is okay. That's surface, but this doesn't look like surface, does it? Yeah? That does look deep. So that's something we'll have to look at. Front looks fine, just a bit of flaky paint. So if that's it, the amount of time this car was sat there full of water, I'm quite happy with that. Heel board, all good, all gravy. Back in, the arms could do with a bit of a polish. I know wheel bearings are bad. Coilovers don't look that bad, to be honest. Washers, that's pretty good. Move panel, bit of flaky. All this is good. Just needs a really good clean look, because he was ripping it through the mud. Yeah. So all in all, it's not too bad. A wire brush and a lick of paint will sort most of that out. Clean the bulkhead down as well. All this repainted. Clean all this while we're in here. Right. There we go. Oh, hang on. I did say we'd fire up the booster, didn't we? Booster! Saying we've got 14.3 volts now. Close enough. Right. Flip this over. Look at that. Loads of oil pressure. There you go, look. Right, well, I'm going to call that video an end. Thanks for watching, people. See you in the next one.